Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S10. In this video we'll be taking a look at the screen rotation, how to turn it on and off. So first thing I'm going to go do is just go ahead, open up, and I'm going to go into my web browser. And from here I'm just going to go ahead and rotate my device sideways. And as you guys can see, the screen rotates. So let's say you don't want your screen to rotate, you just want it to stay locked in the upright position. Go ahead and swipe down. We are looking for this logo that looks like this. Looks like a box with a couple arrows around it. Once you find it, you can go ahead and deselect it. But if you slid down from here and you don't see it, slide down again, and this will open up a larger window with a bunch of other options. So within these three pages that you have, it should be preset to be on there. So there it is on mine. It says auto rotate. I'm going to go ahead and deselect it, and now it shows a lock with the word portrait popped up. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off this screen, and we are back here on my web browser. And if I turn it sideways, we can see that it does not work. So if you have a device that is locked and you want to unlock it to get it to work, all you're going to have to do is the same thing, slide down, and then find that it's going to be a little locked. So you can also go to this screen by sliding down a second time. You will see it's a portrait with a little lock on it. So go ahead and select that. You will see two arrows and a little square pop up, and it says auto rotate. So once you go back into your Safari, anything, whatever you're using, it should rotate back to both sides. So that's how to turn the screen rotation on and off on the Samsung Galaxy S10. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you guys would like to see any other helpful tips and tricks, go ahead and check out that playlist in the description below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.